Prepare yourself for the Horizon exchange on Binance Smart Chain. This is what we're doing today. Horizon exchange. We're gonna trade Doge. We're gonna trade XRP, Ripple, Binance, etc., all on a coin, all on a testnet on Binance. Let's effing go. My name is Eve Finance After 40. Horizon looks pretty legit. And this is what we're doing. It's pretty complicated at the beginning, so stay with me. We need to mint some coins. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my other videos about airdrops. Let's effing go. So step one, before we even go and doing some Doge trade, you see this is my wallet. I took some trades. Let's move my face. Complete Ethereum buy, Dogecoin buy, etc., all on a testnet. What are we doing? You need to mint, you need faucet, We're proud to present, let's go, Horizon Exchange live testing for the community. This was February 11th, so I don't know, depends when you watch it. Let's say 2 weeks ago it started. Let's prepare for mainnet. Summary: you need HZN, Horizon, ZUSD, and Binance Testnet tokens. How do you do it? Use this guide. Which guide is this? This one. So both guides plus the website, everything below, plus Patreon to support this channel. Okay, so hey Horizon Nation, go to the testnet. It's live. Quick start guide. First of all, you need to be on the Binance Smart Chain. So go to Metamask if you haven't already, because we already done that before. You need to have this one, Binance Smart Chain testnet. How do you do that? You go to chainlist.org and basically you add Binance Smart Chain. Again, we've done it before. Go watch my other tutorials on some Binance Smart Chains and you will know how to do that. Next, you need the tokens. How do you do it? You need HZN and ZUSD. You just copy this address. Okay, I've already done that. Copy the address just so you know. Go to Metamask. Okay, and in order to add them, I already done that. You see, already have 100 HNZ and ZUSD. You click on import tokens right here. You copy the address and basically you click add custom tokens, and then you have the tokens in your Binance testnet. Next, very important as well, you need to go to the faucet, BNB testnet faucet, okay, and HND and ZUSD faucet. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. Add MetaMask, add the testnet addresses that we said, and then get the faucet before we even do anything. This is the tricky part, so stay with me before we can trade. This is a manual faucet. You need to go basically here. Okay, they're giving you like the faucet link. It's in the description below. Connect your wallet. It's gonna say here, there we go, connect to Web3. It's gonna ask you to connect your MetaMask. Say okay, basically, and then look, this is the very important. You're gonna go to number 2, claim HNZ. I already done that. I'm gonna go to number 2, claim HNZ, copy this number, 100 million in 2. Don't do anything in 1, go straight to 2. Claim HNZ to receive 100 HNZ test, and maximum that you can request is 100. I don't need to do it again, I already done that. You put this number, you click right, and it goes to your MetaMask, and you get it. And do the same thing with number 3, claim USD, same thing. Basically right here, enter this number in number 3, claim USD to receive 100 USDC. And of course, in order to transact, you need some Binance Smart Chain testnet for gas. So they also put the faucet. Again, everything in the link below. Binance Smart Chain faucet, give me BNB, put your address, and let's go. Let me make sure I'm recording. I am. Pretty good. And then scroll down and shows you everything step by step. And now we need to do, basically, this is like the coloring pictures of everything that I just told you. Add the faucet, add the import token, Feel free to tell me a joke. And here it shows you how to do the number, connect the MetaMask, put the details, and now you got magic internet money, and now you're ready to do the rest. And the rest is in the second tutorial, which is this one, Horizon Exchange Testnet Tour. Go to markets, select the markets you want, do a little trades, basically Z Doge, Z Binance, Z Ripple, etc. Buy, sell. Make sure it's good. You buy pending, So let's do a couple of trade. Oracle check. I'm gonna explain what it is. And congratulations, you've traded your first synthetic asset. It's been added to your portfolio, and buy some more. And then click on the portfolio, see what you got. Check your portfolio, see your trade history. Manage. You now have a portfolio giving you exposure to borderless global derivatives from around the world. They only have crypto now, but I assume they will have gold, oil, futures, forex. So it's pretty good. I like the interaction. You know, it's not all about airdrops. This is a side note. Not all about airdrops. If we get them, this is the main reason why we're doing great. But if we're not, and I like this basically platform, and now I know, hey, I can go and buy Doge, I can go and buy Ripple, XRP. Some of you love that. Okay, that's up to you. If there's no XRP in Coinbase, now I can buy XRP once the lawsuit is done or something like that in Horizon platform. Why not? Why the F not? You send some Ethereum, you switch to Ripple, and there you go. What's your favorite feature? And I'm sure more assets will come. This is synthetic assets. It's gonna be big basically big competition. So far synthetic, the SNX coin is like the major one. There's Mirror Protocol, Terra Luna, all that stuff is a big competitor. Other companies are getting into this space because everything goes into crypto. Stop thinking only about Bitcoin price prediction. Stop. There's so much innovation in this space. Tell us your general impressions. Stay tuned for Horizon Exchange mainnet launch. So let's do a couple of trades. Okay, and you can read all about it, the fees, Okay, so let's go. This is the website, Horizon Exchange. Click on markets. Let's pick one. Let's say got Binance, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, PancakeSwap, Polkadot, Chainlink, Polydodge, Ripple, and Doge. Let's pick Ripple, which is ZXRP. You know, remember synthetics, they have S before, so Horizon has Z. This is a big coin. This is gonna be big, in my humble opinion. And if we get some free money just by clicking a few buttons, I'm happy. Okay, so this is XRP. What's the price? 72 cents. Okay. Let's click buy. What are you buying? You're using ZUSD. Remember that you need to mint. Let's see how much I have after trading a little bit. I have 60. Got it, because I already traded a little. Let's see that I got 60 ZUSD, and the 100 HNZ is basically for staking on the once the platform is live, as far as I understand. So let's do, I don't know, half, which is I don't know, 40 bucks, 60. It's more than half, it's 50%. I got 60. Let's do 30 bucks. You know what, 50 bucks. Let's be bullish on XRP. Buy. I'm paying fee 5%. This is a lot. This is crazy because you can't buy it anywhere. Like 99% of platforms don't have it. But you know, maybe this is gonna push this coin to the moon. Click buy, see how quick it is. Open the Metamask. You're gonna pay some test Binance as gas. Okay, your transaction has been sent to the network, and now I'm gonna scroll a little down. Complete. Your transaction is right here. Let's move my face. Recent transaction, Ripple by 50 at 73.1. Total fee 38.38. 183 fees. I can view the transaction, and it's now on the Binance Smart Chain Success Testnet. Success, and that's do a couple of those. Okay, Oracle check. I didn't understand what it means, but basically it just make sure everything is good, and in about a minute and 30 seconds gonna change to complete. Check your portfolio. Okay, portfolio value is 98 bucks. I got all those trades. I got Ethereum, Ripple, everything is here, and you can click mint ZUSD That's what I said. I don't think it's live just yet. It's gonna open this website, but basically it asked me to go to Binance Live. I'm not gonna do that because now we're only on the testnet. Where if you stake, you're gonna make 108% APY. Just stake the Horizon coin. So we'll see. Once this goes live, I might put some passive income money on this one. Take a couple of trades, not a big deal, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.